Hi, my name is Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm wearing the exact same thing I wore in my last video because I don't put makeup on often, and whenever I do, I'm going to capitalize on that. This is a continuation of last week's project where I made a sports bra. Hope you enjoyed my sweet dance moves at the end. I got some more for you this time because I made a complimentary shirt to go over it. So workout shirt because I have a lot of neon from my mystery why can I never remember the name of this? Mystery box fabric challenge. Anyways, got a lot of neon fabric. Don't know what to do with it, but make some workout wear from the 80s. It's actually super simple. This is a really easy shirt to make. I hope you follow along at home and make one yourself because seriously, this took like no time at all. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get back to the 80s. I'm so excited. Thanks for being here. There's this one and then like a lighter one. All 80s. All 80s indeed. I am using the lighter pink fabric from the unboxing, the same one that I used for the trim in my previous sports bra project. Click here to watch that video or check it out later in my description box. I'm patterning from a shirt I already own, but I'm going to make it a tank top and lower the armholes for a sweet muscle tee look. I tried it on and marked with a clip exactly where I want the armhole to fall. Fold over the shirt and the fabric in half and line it up on fold and start chalking around the edges. When you get to the armhole, use your thumb as an anchor to chalk the correct curve where the sleeve would be. Okay guys, I love these new curved rollers I just got, and I also had to get new chalk after a dog incident, but I am so happy with both. Check out my description box if you think these will help you out too, because they totally will. Don't forget to add your seam allowance or just eyeball it like I'm doing here because it's just a simple project. And voila, the front is finished. The super bright fabric doesn't make this easy to show, but I've placed the front piece onto the fabric. The only 2 points we need to chalk are the shoulder and the opposing side seam. This is to make the back, by the way. Remove the front piece and all we need to do is draw a curved line from the inside shoulder to the armhole and then the outside shoulder to the bottom. Again, I just eyeballed this. Just keep sketching until you get a curve that you like. It totally doesn't have to be perfect. It's just something you're going to wear working out and sweating in. Cut it out once you're happy with your sketch. To make the other side of the back, flip it over so that the right sides are together. I had to strategically pin to avoid weird markings I found on this mystery scrap fabric. Hopefully you won't encounter the same on your fabric and can cut it out like a normal person. Here's just a quick preview of how it will align in the back, but it is really hard to see because this fabric is so pink. Next, as I randomly move around the fabric, we need to hem both sides of the back pieces. I'm choosing a simple rolled hem where you fold over the fabric 1/4 of an inch and then fold it over another 1/4 of an inch to hide all of the raw edges. I used a straight stitch because this fabric already has a 4-way stretch. If your fabric is less stretchy, I would definitely recommend a zigzag stitch. Double fold over the other side as well. Moving on to the front piece, do the same thing on the neckline and the armholes. The curves can be a little tricky, so just go slow. Now that everything is hemmed, we can pin together the side seams and the shoulder seams to sew with a straight stitch. Be careful to line up the edges perfectly, otherwise it won't look professional. I mean, it's a workout shirt, but we still want to look good. I opted for a zigzag stitch on the side seams, but honestly a straight stitch would work just as well with this style of shirt. So the only real step left is to finish off the hem on the front. Super simple. All you need to do is double fold over the bottom so that it blends in with the hem on the back. I did finish off my side seams on my serger. You can do the same with a zigzag stitch on your sewing machine. So I'm doing just one more optional step of stitching over the edge of the seam to make it lay flatter. I hope you've enjoyed this beginner's friendly workout shirt tutorial. Please consider subscribing to my channel for future DIY projects. And it's okay to laugh at my version of an 80s music video for the final reveal.